gonna tell them to put it in the little thingy where you could type what you could like.
Oh yeah, in the comments?
Yeah, in the comments.
Oh. Hello guys, welcome back. This is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. We are trying some more lashes. You guys know that I love lashes. I love trying new lashes, and I'm pretty sure you guys are here for all of that. So let's get started with this video, shall we? If you're interested in these lashes, or if you're interested in lashes in general, then I suggest you to keep on watching. And the lashes that we are trying today are none other than Rokael Beauty Lashes. We are trying today 4 styles. I bought several styles from this brand, but I don't want to make this video a lengthy video. If you guys are interested to see the rest of the styles, then let me know in the comments down below. I've been eyeing these lashes for several months now. I believe the first time I saw one of their pair of lashes was in Katie's videos. She put some lashes that were just like amazing, and I was like, what lashes are those? And thankfully they did mention what lashes were they. These lashes are synthetic and they are different. The way that they are uniformed, the way that they look is just different. And that's why I inclined more to get these lashes into my channel so I could show it to you guys. They did not sponsor this video. This will be my honest thoughts and my honest opinion. I will start with the lightest to deepest pairs of lashes. With that being said, I'm going to bring you guys up close so you guys get to see everything and how they look. Oh yeah, do you guys like my brows? I did something new to my brows. I'm pretty sure the video will be up before this video. I will leave it linked down below so you guys can go and see what I did to my brows. So, as always, I'm going to use my handy dandy lash glue, which would be the Duo. My first thoughts are the way that they are manufactured looks beautiful, looks wispy, you know, fluffy in a way. The way that this artist created this other type of style that I've never seen before, where the wispiness is not necessarily on the outer part but more in the side middle, you could say. I don't know if I'm explaining myself right. They range anywhere from, I believe, $14 up to like $23, $24. So we're gonna start with the lightest one, which I feel it screams me. It screams my name. These are Moonbeams. What I just noticed right away is that if anything, none of his lashes have a band. They are, I mean, they do have a band, but have a black band, more like a clear band. Let's see, they look so nice. Honestly, they look really nice. I'm going to measure. It's a perfect fit. They feel flexible. Wow. Do you see what I mean by the wispiness of it? It's not in the center, or it's not on the outer part. It's like in between that. It looks so flirty-ish. It looks really cute. I feel it opened up my eye, and at the same time it angled it. I don't know. It's a good balance. Let me go ahead and pop the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is both of them together. I do want to mention a little side note, or whatever you want to call it. I was so in love how these look, but when I applied this one, I feel it doesn't have the same wispiness as this one right here. If anything, this one looks smaller, more subtle than this one. I don't know how I feel about that, but I don't know, you guys tell me. Is it just me, or you guys also see the difference? If I would choose, I love how this side looks. It looks so flirtatious. If it weren't to be a difference in between these lashes, then I would rate these 10 out of 10. But since it has that slight difference, I'm gonna give these lashes an 8 out of 10. The next lashes are Sunbursts. They're shorter in length. Feel I would wear, not on a daily because I don't wear lashes on a daily, but when I go to work. They are a perfect size. Where are my tweezers? Oh no. Where in the world are my tweezers? I'm looking for my tweezers and I have them right here.
Yeah.
Okay,
let's just go ahead.
Ooh, they are so cute. These are so cute. I really like these. Something I want to point out real quick is about their clear band. As you guys can see, you guys still see the glue. But since I put a black glue, I feel that everything, once it dries up, it will look black. They are super cute. I like these. I like these a lot. Like I said, I would wear these for work, for any, you know, event. But more likely, I feel for work, they're a good size. I want to rate these a 9 out of 10. This is with the glue dried up already. There's still a little bit visible gaps, but nothing major. I just want to point that out. Okay, now I'm going to just take them off. Oh. Every time I do these lash videos, my eyes need a break. On with the next brow, the star of this video, because it is the reason why I purchased all of these other styles. These lashes stole my heart. These are the Solar Flare, chunky and wispy. Okay, perfect sizing. These are giving me a little bit of a hard time applying. They feel stiff compared to the other ones. So they keep popping up from the inner corner. But still, I love how they look. They look more dramatic than I thought they would be. But they're not bad. I still would rock with these. They still look really good. I like the chunky wispiness it has. Let's put on the other one. Probably I have to go a little like this so it gets more flexible. This one went on smoothly compared to the other one. That's what I just had to do, was just wiggle them out. Yes. Both of them on look really good. I would rate these lashes a 10 out of 10. Not minding the fact that they were giving me a little bit of a hard time at first, but they look super cute. Don't you agree? I agree. 10 out of 10. Definitely, I'm in love with these. Let's go on with the last one. These are the Beaming Sun. They are wispied out. They have the same effect as the first one. They're not super angled, but they're not also going all the way up. Ooh, yes. These are so pretty. Do you see how it makes my eye go on the outer side? It lifts. I don't know. It just looks so flawless. Wow, they look so pretty. Oh, I love how it makes my eyes look. They're subtle. They're not as extravagant as I thought they were gonna look based on how I saw them in the packaging. But I love how these look. I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. They look light. I don't mind them like this, but I think a little bit more would be just about right. Other than that, I love how flirtatious they are. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite out of the 4. I would say that this one would be my second favorite. Overall, I like them. I feel these lashes are suitable for just about everyone. They felt comfortable. They felt good. Their band is very flexible. Their band is clear. I want to, you know, incorporate the word flirtatious because I feel they're giving you a whole vibe. I mean, just look at them. They look so good. I know I've said love like 1,050 times, but that's exactly how I feel. And I do want to mention again that they did not sponsor this video at all. I wanted to try these lashes because they really caught my attention the very first time I saw them. But on a brighter note, I was able to get you guys a discount code with them. I will leave it somewhere in the screen, and also I will write it down in the description box next to their website. So those are my last thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.